Have you ever noticed something strange about prices? They often go up, but they almost never come back down. Even when problems in the economy disappear, prices usually stay high. So why does this happen? One reason is demand. When many people want something at the same time, prices rise. If there are not enough products available, sellers raise prices. Once prices go up to balance demand and supply, they rarely fall again. Another reason is production costs. Businesses must pay workers, buy materials, and run equipment. When those costs increase, companies raise prices to stay profitable. And once those prices increase, businesses rarely lower them again. This general rise in prices across the economy is called inflation. Sometimes inflation happens because more money enters the economy. When people have more money to spend, demand increases. Businesses respond by raising prices. Economists call this phenomenon sticky prices. Once prices move upward, it becomes difficult to lower them. Customers slowly accept the new price. Lowering prices can also be risky for businesses. If one company lowers prices too much, it might signal weakness. So businesses prefer stable prices rather than constantly lowering them. Over time, this creates a steady upward trend in prices. That's why groceries, housing, and services often cost more than they did years ago. Prices reflect demand, costs, and money circulating in the economy. Now you know why prices almost never go down.